If young people who have studied in school and consider themselves too high and smart to merge with society who work with hose and only have simple aspirations, then it is better not to be given education at all. If we in the revolutionary struggle do not take the initiative first, then the enemy gains control over our will and actions so that we are forced into a paralyzing passive state. A class over a nation that is not able to overthrow old-fashioned rules and slavery by means of revolution, will either perish or be destined to be slaves forever. By the way of revolution and the war of national independence which can be incorporated into the social revolution. All the great modern countries, without exception, can escape from the confines of class and colonialism. One or two of the various measures that we usually use for someone who goes to the front of the community as a leader is, first of all he can see ahead, and secondly whether he has enough consequent character to hold his foresight. In the matter of the national revolution, will the colonized nation that struggles to defend its independence actually become a nation that is free in all fields of its life against other nations, or is it recolonized in the old way or in a new way? In the final decisive blow, we can only get victory, if we also take the initiative to defend. So that the final decisive blow can achieve our goal, a smart student is also aware that if he already knows one way, one law, one key to solve a class of problems, then he doesn't memorize dozens of questions or the answers to tens or hundreds of questions, but he holds the method or the key to the problem. Just. Education aims to sharpen intelligence, strengthen willpower, and refine feelings. The birth of a thought is often equated with the birth of a child. It is preceded by the innate sufferings of its birth. If the system cannot be verified and cannot be criticized, then the exact science will also die. As long as bookstores exist, as long as libraries can be rebuilt. If necessary and necessary, clothing and food can be reduced.